A rolling skyscraper of steel and glass built for kings of the highway, the 2026 Kenworth Titan Elite double-deck motorhome transforms every mile into a first-class experience beyond imagination. Welcome back to Apex Motorhomes, where we explore the most extraordinary homes on wheels and the innovations redefining luxury mobile living. Today's spotlight is a machine that does not merely travel the road, it commands it with authority and unmistakable presence. The 2026 Kenworth Titan Elite double-deck motorhome is a bold fusion of heavy-duty trucking heritage and ultra-luxury residential design, created for those who view highways as an extension of their elevated lifestyle. This is far more than a recreational vehicle. It is a declaration of strength, innovation, and uncompromising comfort. The Titan name has long symbolized endurance and reliability in the commercial trucking world. For 2026, that legacy evolves into a double-deck masterpiece engineered not for cargo, but for a complete residential experience that rivals high-end stationary estates. From the moment it appears on the horizon, the Titan Elite double-deck demands attention. Its elongated profile, towering stance, and refined detailing make it resemble an exclusive luxury touring coach crafted for royalty. The exterior balances muscular aggression with polished elegance. A commanding grille anchors the front fascia, framed by precision LED lighting that slices through darkness with clarity. Chrome accents complement deep metallic paint options that shimmer brilliantly under sunlight. Every contour is sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency while preserving the iconic Kenworth design language admired by truck enthusiasts. Beneath the polished exterior lies a reinforced heavy-duty chassis engineered to support two fully functional residential levels. Multiple rear axles distribute weight evenly for stability and control. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, delivering a smooth, composed ride across vast distances. Despite its size, it feels grounded and predictable behind the wheel. Power comes from a high-output diesel engine tuned for long-haul performance. Massive torque ensures confident acceleration even when fully loaded. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission, the drivetrain responds seamlessly to terrain changes. Climbing steep mountain passes or cruising open highways feels effortless, reducing driver fatigue and enhancing confidence. Step through the main entrance onto the lower deck, and you enter a space that rivals luxury urban apartments. The lounge stretches wide with tall ceilings and panoramic windows flooding the interior with natural light. Premium leather seating surrounds a state-of-the-art entertainment system with an ultra-high-definition display and immersive surround sound. Ambient LED lighting shifts tones to match mood and time of day. The lower deck is designed for social living. A formal dining area sits beside expansive windows offering uninterrupted views. The gourmet kitchen combines beauty and function with an induction cooktop, convection oven, microwave, full-size refrigerator, dedicated wine cooler, and extensive soft-close cabinetry. Stone countertops and brushed metal fixtures elevate the aesthetic to true residential standards. Toward the rear, a private guest suite offers a queen-size bed, integrated storage, and personal climate controls. A nearby full bathroom features a glass-enclosed shower, modern vanity, and premium finishes. Every detail reflects thoughtful craftsmanship. Ascending the staircase reveals the upper deck, dedicated entirely to privacy and elevated relaxation. The master suite spans much of this level, centered around a king-size bed facing panoramic windows that frame ever-changing landscapes. Electrochromic glass provides instant privacy at the touch of a button. The master bathroom rivals five-star resorts with a rainfall shower, deep soaking tub, dual illuminated vanities, and heated flooring. Also on the upper deck is a sky lounge designed for hosting or quiet reflection. Plush seating lines panoramic windows, while a built-in bar and entertainment system create the perfect setting for evenings under star-filled skies. Optional slide-out sections expand interior space when parked, enhancing openness without compromising structural integrity. Technology integration is comprehensive. A centralized smart system manages lighting, climate zones, security cameras, and entertainment across both decks. Touchscreen panels and a dedicated mobile app provide intuitive control. Multi-zone climate systems maintain personalized comfort regardless of outside conditions. Energy independence is central to the 2026 design. Rooftop solar panels feed a high-capacity lithium battery bank, powering amenities efficiently and reducing reliance on external hookups. Advanced water storage and filtration systems support extended off-grid travel.